Welcome everyone, welcome to the OpenStack series. Today we are going to discuss all the topic which we will cover in our entire OpenStack series. Guys, before OpenStack series walkthrough, let me tell you a very important point that this OpenStack series is going to help you in getting three category of job. First, cloud infrastructure engineer, second, VNF engineer or application engineer, and third, operation engineer or support engineer. This operation engineer and support engineer is further classified into two job category. First is cloud infrastructure support engineer and second will be application support engineer. So you have total 5 job opportunities where you can apply for. OpenStack series will give you either one or two offer letter for sure. So don't miss any of the video of entire OpenStack series. So guys, let's start the briefing of the contents. Day 1 we will discuss what is cloud computing, type of service model, type of cloud model, an introduction to OpenStack release. Day 2 we will discuss component of OpenStack like Horizon, dashboard for user interface services, Keystone for identity services, then Nova for compute services, then Glance for image services, then Neutron for networking services, then Cinder for block storage services, then Swift for object storage services, then Ceilometer for telemetry, and Heat for orchestration. On day 3, we will discuss OpenStack architecture, then logical architecture to explain how OpenStack play an important role in launching a VM. Then on day 4, we will discuss how does OpenStack work, then OpenStack versus AWS, then benefits of OpenStack. On day 5, we will discuss resource requirement for the installation of OpenStack like CPU, RAM, memory, network, ISO. Then we'll discuss method of OpenStack installation like manual, package stack, OpenStack on OpenStack, that is OOO. Then we'll discuss OpenStack deployment type, whether it will be a single node or the multi-node, what is the difference between single node and multi-node. Then we will discuss on OpenStack services about director, controller, compute, storage. On day 6 we will discuss Linux requirement before installation of OpenStack. So what are the requirement you required from Linux side, like VMware Workstation or VirtualBox installation, then how you will install a VM on top of VirtualBox, then how you will configure the IP address, then how you will install the packages using yum, then how you will edit any file or save any file. Guys, I have already uploaded videos on these Linux topics, so don't worry. I will paste the link of these topics in the description, right? Then we will start with installation and configuration of OpenStack. That is all in one node. So from here you will get your own cloud, right? From where you will install your own OpenStack, and then top of it you will start configuring your own applications. And now on day 7 we will go through with the OpenStack GUI walkthrough, introduction, launching an instance using dashboard. So it is completely GUI walkthrough of OpenStack. Then on day 8 we will do some command line interface for the same OpenStack. So that will be OpenStack CLI walkthrough and OpenStack service verification, like what are the services available, how you can start, stop and restart the services, right? On day 9 we will prepare to deploy an instances using both CLI and GUI, right? So for here we will see how to manage images, flavors, key pairs, security group, network, subnet, routers. And then on day 10 we will discuss on deploying an instance using CLI, and we will do a practical how we can deploy an instance using command line interface, right? On day 11 we will go through it how to manage user and assign user roles. So how you can delete, modify the user roles, how we can give any user a higher permission like admin permission or read only permission. This all we will see here in day 11, right? Now on day 12 we'll see how to manage domain, project and nested project, where we can modify the domains, we can delete domain, we can create domains, we can create project, we can create sub project. All we will see here in day 12. On day 13 we'll see how to create volume and attach server on any of the volume, right? Now day 14 we'll see how to create container and upload an object on the container. So we'll create first an object and then we will upload any of the container on it, right? On day 15, we will discuss on the OpenStack multi-node deployment and setup of director, or you can say undercloud or overcloud nodes. And then on the 16th day, we will discuss on the component which come under overcloud and undercloud nodes. On day 17, we will discuss on the key component of OpenStack, like what are the major or main component of OpenStack. What are the 10 main component of OpenStack we will discuss over there. Now on day 18, we will discuss on controller node services like pacemaker, HA proxy. We will also discuss about the JAVX, how JAVX configured for monitoring the performance. And then on day 19, we will discuss on undercloud OpenStack components like Ironic and Triple. On day 20, we will discuss what is RabbitMQ and how RabbitMQ message broker add, set password, manage permissions and enable trace through CLI. On day 21, we will do OpenStack automation using Git template. On this day, we will see what is stack and how to create a stack using Git template. On day 22, we'll see how to migrate instances from one compute to another compute. Okay, that means how we can migrate our applications from one compute to another compute. On day 23, we'll see what is host aggregation and how to create host aggregation in OpenStack. We'll also discuss Red Hat OpenStack certification exam, that is EX210. On that day, that is 24, that is the last day of our entire OpenStack series. We will discuss how many servers you will get in the exam and how you will access those servers. Guys, I took 3-4 days to complete this entire OpenStack series content so that you may take maximum benefit from it. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you in OpenStack series. Till then, take care and bye bye.